In this video, we're diving into myEcon 2025 and talking about some things that you need to be aware of as we turn the corner into the new year. Now, also, before we get into that, I just want to recap some things for this year, 2024, a change that was made. And again, as we look out into the next year, what is in store for you, your myEcon business, and is myEcon the best fit for you? We're going to cover all that in this video and more. Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, ring the bell to get notified anytime I'm uploading new content, which is on the daily, my friend, and you will be the first to know if you are subscribed and if you smash that bell icon. Now, in this video, I want to dive into and talk about what's going to happen with myEcon in 2025. If you don't know, you're unaware, you're just checking out myEcon for the first time, you're maybe checking out me or my channel, or just ways to make money online or make money from home, you're in the right spot, so keep on watching. Also, if you want to get more information about me, our myEcon team, and learn and discover how we are the largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon, link in the description down below. You can not only get started, but you can also see my full overview and tutorial where I walk you through how we give away over $10,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership. Now, what we saw in myEcon in 2024 was they added a new membership level. So typically myEcon, usually they had one membership level, which was $39 per month. And there were two different ways to get started. You could join at the regular $39 activation fee, and they also have a discounted rate for $19.95. Now, in the past year, in 2024, right in the summertime, they added a new membership level, which allowed you to earn higher ticket commissions. So they added a level that you can get started for $99.95, which is therefore then $59 per month. This enables you to earn more monthly commissions and more upfront commission. So let's take a look at the slides and just look at the myEcon compensation plan and see what type of commissions are there for you, not only here in 2024 and also looking out to 2025, so you can understand how you get paid and what those commissions actually look like. So I'm going to show you two slides regarding the myEcon compensation plan. Now, the first one here, this is what happens the day that someone joins, and you can see it there on the lower left portion of your screen. So when someone gets started, this is what you can make, okay? So your Gen 1, which is the very first line that you see there, those are your direct referrals, your personal sales. So with the newer commission stream that was added, the higher level, which is also, you can see it at the top of your slide, it says EBM, okay? That is the higher level right there, okay? That is a $60 per month level. So when someone joins you at the lower level, okay, at the $40 level, you're going to earn a $35 commission. When someone joins you at the higher level, okay, you're going to get a $70 commission. That's about 70% of the entry point that you're going to get for a direct commission. Now, the commissions pay out every single Friday, which is great. And then as that goes down, whether you're gold, platinum, or infinity, you can start earning on the production of your entire team. Again, these are commissions that you see the day that someone joins. So whether it be your generation 2 all the way down to infinity, you can earn it as high as $3 to $7 or even up to $10 on your team sales when they are producing the day someone joins. Just an absolutely very incredible compensation plan, and it's very basic and easy to understand. Now, let's go look at every single month when they renew. And this is great. And of course, at the higher level, you're going to get a higher renewal, which is really awesome. So again, you can see Gen 1 all the way down through infinity. You can get, anywhere between 50 cents all the way up to $13.30 per person. And that can go down through infinity. So as an example, if you are an infinity like myself, on average, you're going to earn between $6 and $13 per person, which is just absolutely incredible income. And think about it, once you get hundreds or even thousands of people on your team, that is an incredible monthly residual income that you are building here with myEcon. So that's what was added in 2024. I think it's a really great enhancement to the compensation plan for myEcon, and it's just gonna get better. Now, excuse me, as we look out into 2025, what is in store for myEcon? Well, I'm going to tell you right now that there is some things that you want to be aware of. There are some things that you need to be clued in on because this is going to change the game for myEcon and it's going to help you make even more money. Let's dive in. So, two things we're going to talk about here for 2025 as we look out over the year. Number one thing that is really exciting, and I'm really looking forward to both of these, so pay close attention here. Number one is you're going to see a new product here in the product carousel. So right now you currently have the core lineup of products, obviously correcting your W-4, which is also known as income shifting. You have the credit system, travel membership, Defender Plus, aka something very similar to LifeLock, better in my opinion. You have debt elimination, minimizing your taxes, the cash flow manager, and the cash flow strategist. So all products and services that are currently available in the myEcon lineup. And in my opinion, what they're going to add. Now, I'm just hearing this through the grapevine and just, casual conversations with the core leadership of myEcon, but this is a product that I can't give it away fully, but you will see it here in the product carousel in 2025. And I'm going to give you a little hint. It's going to help you with your taxes. So there, I said it. I don't have all of the details, but I can tell you that it is 100% going to help you with your taxes. Ultimately, what does myEcon help you do? They help you save more money and make more money, and they do that through cash flow strategies, debt elimination strategies, income shifting strategies, and business growth and development. So once you guys see, at least, once you guys know and see what I've heard about this tax product, we'll call it, it is going to be very helpful and very beneficial for you. So again, stay tuned in 2025. And of course, what's going to be even better is you will see a new product and service available in 2025, and it will not increase the myEcon membership because this compensation plan that we have right now is etched in stone and it will not be changing anytime soon. Now, on to the last thing that we're going to talk about here in this video, which I am the most excited about. And that is after 20 years of myEcon being in business solely here in the United States, myEcon is going to be expanding globally. They are going international. And that is absolutely awesome because when you have a company that is solely focused on helping people make and save more money, and you have a compensation plan that is just proven to win, when you show that off to the rest of the world, all it's going to do is benefit you. It's going to benefit the people that are getting started. They're going to be able to take advantage of this amazing compensation plan, products, and services. Now, when is that exactly going to happen? It's been in discussion for a couple of months now. I know it's in the works. I don't have all of the details, but I have some of the details of what they're working on behind the scenes. And I can tell you that it is going to happen. So as we look out into 2025, all I can tell you is this: if you are not inside of myEcon right now, you want to get inside of myEcon right now because of this global expansion. myEcon currently is sitting at somewhere between 75 and 80,000 active members. And that's just here in the United States alone. Think about once this rolls out and goes international. I mean, I've already predicted this in other videos talking about the global expansion. I think we're going to see in the next 6 to 12 to maybe 18 months max, myEcon is going to double its membership base. So in other words, going from about 80,000 members to 160,000 members and beyond. I think you're going to see incredible growth all throughout 2025 and well into 2026 and beyond. So again, if you're not inside of myEcon right now, is the ultimate time to do that. I have my link right here at the top of the screen. Also, earlier in this video, I left you my phone number. If you have any questions, please reach out and text me. I also left that information down in the description below. You can get started. You can watch my full overview and see how you can get over $10,000 in free value just for getting started with our team. But as we look out to 2025, my friend, myEcon is where it's at. They got their stuff together, my friends, and they are poised to explode in 2025. So there are some early predictions for you there, my friend. I hope you got value from this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you have any questions for me, again, as always, reach out. If you're ready to get started, do it now. Do it now while it's fresh in your mind, my friend. Trust me, action cures fear. And I can tell you and promise you this, it's much better to be here on the inside and part of this movement versus standing there on the outside, looking in, pondering, doubting, wondering, debating, wishing, hoping, and praying that things get better. Or you could just be on the inside here, taking advantage of these awesome products and services, taking advantage of this amazing compensation plan, and being on the inside before the global expansion. Now, for some reason, if you're watching this, you got a hold of this video and you're outside of the USA, okay? Link in the description down below. You can get on the first movers list, and I have a exclusive email list going for people that are outside the United States right now, letting you know ahead of time when the global expansion is going to happen, and you could be first in before the masses, before the huge wave, before the explosion, and you could take massive advantage of that by being in first. So again, link in the description down below to get on my early movers list. Okay. That is it, my friend. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to see you on the inside. Can't wait to work with you. And I will always see you on the next video. Take care.